let's go. So since it's the month of love, ew, charot. It's the month of love, we're gonna talk
Wow,
about
very bitter.
very lover girl ka kasi ngayon.
Eh, bakit
We're gonna
ikaw?
talk everything that comes in with love, like lust
Ah,
and the reality of it. So
I
ano
know.
nga ba?
So, what are we gonna talk about for today's episode?
Have you ever heard of the 3-month rule? Since like it applies with
Yeah,
everything. Relationships. Like, what's your stance on it? What's your take sa 3-month
3 months
rule?
rule. Siguro, hindi ako naniniwala sa 3 months rule. Parang, feeling ko lang talaga siya. A 4-year healing. It's, a set
Okay.
by, standard siya eh. Pero,
Mhm.
depende talaga sa'yo kung kailan mo gusto mag-heal or kung heal ka na ba ng 1 month pa lang, heal ka na, okay lang.
Actually,
So,
yeah, totoo. Pero why, ewan ko, parang it's like a rule eh. I mean,
yeah,
if it's a rule, edi, I don't think it's like, ewan ko. Kasi
di ba?
parang, sa ano lang ba yun? Sa healing lang ba yun? I think sa ano rin siya.
Well,
Alam mo yung,
actually, it's a standard that was set by people. Ba?
but
Tama
like,
ba?
hindi lang sa healing. I think sa everything. Alam mo yung dating stage. Alam mo yun, di ba? Kasi
Yeah.
ang dami nagsasabi, and siguro sa part na yun, I believe that, na like, when you start talking to someone, and then the 3 months, like, comes in, and then
Yeah.
after the 3 months, parang, wala pa din nangyayari sa inyo. Wow! Alam mo talaga. Alam
3
mo
months
yun?
rule. Well, yeah. Oo,
Hmm.
hindi lang siya after breakup, pero hindi lang siya 3 months rule actually. Meron din time na, let's say, ipasok natin 3 dates. If that 3 dates did not work, and
Oo,
then,
tama, yeah.
ganon.
Okay,
So,
fine.
yun.
I can agree dun sa date. But like dun sa whole rule ng 3 months, I think it's unfair for like everybody. Kasi we
Oh,
have different preferences pagdating sa dating, di ba? It's a breakup. And we have different coping mechanisms. Like, if hindi ako makapag-heal in 3 months, tang-ina nyo, bahala kayo. Mag-heal ako ng 3 taon. Alam mo yun?
oo.
Kaya hindi ako makamove on sa kanya eh. So parang, who gives you the right to tell me na under 3 months dapat nakapag-heal na ako? Di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi parang if you're gonna if you're gonna think about it, bakit? Bakit siya may rule? Siguro dun sa dating, bitch, alam mo yung getting to know each other phase, like 3 months. I think agree ako dun. Hindi siya maka-agree kasi charot.
Hindi talaga ako agree for
Siyempre
that.
2 years
Kasi,
eh.
baliw ka. Hindi ako agree for that reason kasi, ay, kapag ako, halimbawa nag-break tayo,
Hmm.
or, or let's say before mag-start yung relationship, hindi ako agad-agad makaka-move on kapag sobrang nagustuhan
Pero
kita
do
or
you think you can move on in 3 months?
no, it takes a lot of time to heal. Syempre, let's say you came from a breakup, tapos
Hmm.
mag-heal ka in 3 months, so kailangan mo hanapin ulit yung sarili mo, magsimula ulit sa umpisa. So, do you
Eh
think
bakit ako
kaya
2 weeks
in
lang?
3 months? Ha?
Bakit ako 2 weeks lang?
Grabe! Hindi mo kasi minahal.
Fuck you ka.
Di ba, kapag hindi mo minahal yung tao,
It's not
yes.
counted. Hindi
Yeah,
counted. Be, ang hirap mag-move on, actually, whether naging kayo or hindi. Tama?
yes, yeah.
Diba? Be, alam mo yung, like, situationship, if naka-situationship mo man lang siya, like, fuck shit, sino ba nag-invento ng situationship na yan?
Tangina kahit na situationship pa lang eh, isang taon ka na mag-move on dyan eh.
Bakit? I don't know why. Pero, like, you're gonna move on from, like, a formal relationship talaga way easier than a situationship. I don't know. Siguro kasi marami kang what ifs. Tang-ina yan tayo
Oh,
sa what ifs eh.
actually yes. Sa tingin ko, kung situationship talaga, mas marami kang regrets dyan.
'Di ba?
Marami kang questionables.
Oo. And
Ano?
like, not the bad kind. You know, the good what ifs. Na parang, what if we
Yeah.
actually worked? 'Di ba? Or what if we never, ayun gano'n, what if we never stop talking?
Oo.
'Di ba? Kasi like, let's
Kaya,
be real. Kapag kunwari nakikipag-date ka ba sa guys, or kunwari, ewan ko ha, like, will you know if you're in love with someone sa first date?
uh,
As a girl.
as a girl, sa first date, no.
Like, would you know if he's the one already? Or,
For me, no. Hindi.
wala ba?
Hindi ko siya makikita if he's the one or not unless makasama ko siya.
Pero alam mo, like, guys, ganun daw sila. I don't know. I've heard, but like, the moment they set eyes on the girl, tapos sa first date, parang they'll know if she's the one or not. Parang it doesn't work like that sa akin.
Siguro sa kanila, for the guys. Pero,
Bakit?
for us girls, hindi kasi siya ganun eh. I'm not sure if they agree din.
I don't know.
Pero,
But like, oo. Kasi minsan
for,
may mga guys na parang very emotionally distant sila sa sarili nila. To the point
uh,
na, wala lang sila, okay, we're gonna go on dates very casually. I think dun lang nag-apply yung kapag you were casually dating. I think you can move on in less than 3 months. Alam mo yun? Kasi,
yeah, siguro, ang mag-a-apply lang kasi sa'yo kapag sa 3 months rule is, ganito lang kasi siya for me. When you say 3 months rule, you will allot 3 months for yourself
mhm,
na hindi ka muna uh,
date and talk.
makikipag-date or something. Though hindi ka pa fully healed, pero after the 3 months, siya ka pa lang i-start na mag-entertain. Ganun. For me,
Okay.
so kaya lang tayo may tinatawag na 3 months rule in relationship after breakup.
Okay, fine. Since we're talking about breakups, do you think it's, ano ba? I don't think it's fair. Hindi yun yung term ko. Pero like, is it okay na to date right after the 3 months? Kasi parang para sa'yo, uy, nakapasa na ako.
Yeah! Oh!
Parang,
It's
isn't
your
it too soon?
choice. It's your own choice kung makikipag-date ka ulit.
Sabagay.
You have your own choice
Sabagay.
naman. Hindi
No,
mo naman,
kasi may ibang guys or may ibang girls din na they think they're ready to enter the dating stage ulit. Tas alam mo yun, they're just gonna make them the rebound. Ang daming
di mo,
ganong cases kaya.
di mo naman kasi kailangan makipagsabayan sa standard ng tao or sa standard sa sinet nila. You just need to focus on yourself if you're ready
Sabagay.
or not na.
Hmm. Girl, inopen ulit nila yung ilaw. So like, sasamahan niya ako paakyat ng apartment later after we shoot.
Saan ba yung lobby nyo?
The lounge, andito yung lounge namin and then the lobby is outside. Then yung washroom, there is, just so you know, 5 hours ko na pang pinipigil yung pantog ko. More than 5 hours na.
Huwag ka
Kasi I can't
mag-alala.
get in.
Ginagawa ko din yan sa school.
Oo, ang hirap nang hindi na ako makakapasok dito. And we can shoot the rest of the podcast if I go down. Kasi sarado na yung ang aking bahay. Charot, nito bahay. So, you'll know, this is not my house. You do not wanna know where my house is and what it looks like. So back to the topic.
Okay.
Ayun, ano ba? Okay, fine, if we're gonna can I sing it na yung sa friendships naman? Or
Okay,
since
go.
it's a love month, kasi parang wala lang, ano lang ha, like quick 2 minute. Kasi 'di ba, kunwari you cut off someone na friend mo, alam mo yung closest friend mo, tas parang right after, kasi may ibang gano'n, after 3 months, they're gonna come back. And parang, alam mo yun, they're gonna talk to you, you guys are gonna become friends again.
For me, once you cut me off already, tapos without any reason, or walang explain, ayoko na.
Parang
It's
it's
not
hard,
bad to
no?
cut off friends naman if sa tingin mo hindi talaga siya healthy or they're popping in and out of your life. Kapag
Diba?
convenient lang sa kanila, hahanapin ko. No, it's not like,
Yeah, totoo. Kasi, okay, fine, speaking of ganyan, yung no contact. Alam kong you know that. So like, we're gonna talk about the 3-month rule. Does the no contact come in? Kasi parang, siyempre dapat hindi mo siya kinakausap. Your ex. Kasi ex na nga, di ba? Pero alam mo, there are people na like 3-month rule, tapos may contact sila with them. They still talk. So does that
it's a
count?
no-no for
Di ba?
me. That's
I
a
think that's a
fucking red
different thing.
flag.
Oo. Hindi, but like, I don't think it's a red flag. Kasi if you're not gonna entertain someone else, edi hindi siya red flag. Red flag siya para sa'yo kasi hindi ka nakaka-move on. 'Di ba? Kakausapin mo ex mo,
A
for the
red
sake
flag.
of what? Alam mo yun?
Yeah, for me talaga red flag siya.
Kasi parang, I don't think we should talk anymore. Kasi, alam mo yun. So, dearies, it's a wrap for today's episode. We hope you've enjoyed and taken everything with a grain of salt. Huwag niyo naman po kaming seryosohin kasi minsan, charot. But we just wanna say sorry for our, like, the past 5 episodes kasi our audio has been not shit, but like, it's not the best. We've had a bit of a technical problem. So hopefully it's gonna be okay next week.
Also, this will be our first
Official
pilot
release.
official.
Yeah. So I think catch us on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, right? So
As
this
well
will
as
be
on
the
Spotify.
yeah, Spotify actually. We're gonna upload daily.
Weekly.
So catch us there and we'll see you next week for our new set of episodes. Bye!